Section B, question number 1. If the rate constant for a base catalyzed ester hydrolysis reaction is 0.20 liter mole minus 1 second minus 1, half-life of the ester 0.05 mole liter minus 1 would be close to dash. This question is based on chemical kinetics. Solution. Let us consider the following reaction. A gives product. It is the first order equation. A is the initial concentration A minus X, so the remaining concentration of reactant is converted into product. Rate constant equation K is equal to 1 by T log A divided by A minus X. This equation is the first order of rate equation. Kf is equal to 1 divided by A minus X minus 1 divided by A. A minus X equal to A by 2. X T of means half-life period. X T of is equal to 2 by A minus 1 by A. T of is equal to 1 divided by Ka. T of is equal to 1 divided by 0.20 into 0.05. 0.20 means ester hydrolysis base and 0. minus 0.05 is the given data. T of is equal to 100. Answer is option B. Next, question number 2. The hydrogen atomic orbital given by nr square E minus r divided by 3a0 3 cos square theta minus 1 represents. This question is based on quantum mechanics. Solution. 4 by r theta spy is equal to r y theta spy. This equation is radial wave function of distribution. There are two parts, radial part and another part. Radial part is, the question say nr square E minus r divided by 3a0 is the radial part. This another part is 3 cos square theta minus 1. This radial node nr square E minus r 3a0 is equal to 0, where r is equal to 0, r is equal to infinitive boundary. The radial node formula n minus L minus 1 is equal to 0. N is the principal quantum number, L is the azimuthal quantum number. So n is equal to L plus 1, n is equal to 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, n is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. See this tabular column. The first 6 radial wave function of hydrogenic atom n L, n 1 2 3 L 0 0 1 0 1 2. 0 is the s orbital, 1 is the p orbital, 2 is the d orbital. So n value is 3, L is equal to 2. So answer is option C, 3d orbital. 3 cos square theta minus is maximum power of cos theta, where L is equal to 2. Next, question number 3. A cube does not have the symmetry element. This question is based on group theory. First of all, what is symmetry element? Symmetry element is a geometrical entity, a line, a point or plane. C means cyclist. Cyclist word is the German word. Solution. N is equal to theta divided by 360 degree. N is the order, theta means the angle. 2 into 180, 360. 3 into 120, 360. 4 into 90, 360. 5 into 72, 360. 6 into 60, 360. See two axis example of water molecule, C3 example of ammonia, C4 example of PtCl4 2 minus, C5 example of ferrocene, C6 example of benzene. The option A 6C2 axis to 180 degree, it is the linear, structure of the linear. Option B 3C4 axis 120 degree, C4 axis is 90 degree, C6 axis 60 degree. So 60 degree rotate, we do not get equivalent orientation. Answer is option D, C6. Next, question number 4. The frequency of OH stretch occurs at 3600 centimeter minus 1. The oxygen deuterium stretch frequency in centimeter minus 1 would be close to dash. This question is based on vibration of diatomic molecule. Solution: mu is equal to 1 by 2 by k by m 1 by 2, where mu means frequency, k is the force constant, m is the mass. There are two atoms, oxygen and hydrogen, oxygen and deuterium. Nu O minus D divided by nu O minus H, root of mu OH divided by mu O minus D. Mu OD is equal to 16 into 2. Oxygen is the mass number 16, deuterium mass number 2, 16 into 2, 32 divided by 16 plus 2, 18, 32 divided by 18 is equal to 2. The 2 is the OD number. Mu OH is equal to 16 into 1, 16 divided by 16 plus 1, 17 is equal to 1. So mu O minus D is equal to mu OH root of 1 by 2. Nu O minus D is equal to 3600 divided by root 2 is equal to 2545. So around the value of 2600. Option B 2600. 2600 is the oxygen and deuterium stretching frequency value. Question number 5. Consider a two-level system in which the excited state separated from the ground state by energy is doubly degenerate. The fraction of the molecules in the excited state, temperature to infinity. This question is based on statistical thermodynamics. The two-level system is ground state and excess state. See the figure, is the energy, ground state G0 is equal to 1, excited state G0 is equal to 2, G1 is equal to 2. This Boltzmann equation Ni is equal to Gi E minus epsilon I divided by kT. K means Boltzmann constant, T means the temperature. Pi is equal to Ni divided by N0 plus N1 is equal to 2 E minus epsilon divided by kT divided by E minus 0 divided by kT plus 2 E minus by kT. P1 is equal to 2 E minus epsilon divided by kT divided by 1 plus 2 E minus epsilon divided by k infinity. P1 is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So this equation, the formula Pi is equal to Ni divided by epsilon Ni. Ni is equal to 2. Ni means the 2 energy level is the 2 divided by epsilon 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 by 3. The option is C, Answer 2/3. Next part C, question number 6. The wave function which is not an eigenfunction of the indicate operator is. The question is based on the quantum mechanics. Solution: A psi I is equal to A I psi I. This formula is the third postulates of the quantum mechanics. D square by dx square plus x square is the operator. E minus x square divided by 2 is the wave function. D divided by dx e minus x square divided by 2 plus x square e minus x square divided by 2. So the multiplication of d by dx minus x e minus x square divided by x plus x square e minus x square divided by 2 is equal to e minus x square divided by plus x minus x e minus x square divided by 2 plus x square e minus x square divided by 2. So 2x square minus 1 is a small a operator. E minus x square divided by 2 is the function. So answer is option B, d square divided by dx square plus x square e minus x square divided by 2. Option B is the not an eigenfunction of the operators. Next, question number 7. The degeneracy of the state having energy 27 h square divided by 8 ml square for a particle in a 3D cubic box of length. This question is the quantum mechanics in 3D box. Solution: E3D is equal to n square plus ny square plus nz square h square divided by 8ml square. E is the energy, 3D 3-dimensional, nx ny z is 3-dimensional, n is the order, h is the Planck constant, m is the mass, l is the length. So nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to 27. Okay, first the x, y and z matrix is the x, y, z, row and column. First 1 plus 1 plus 5. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 2, 5. Okay. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 5 plus 1, 3 cos square plus 3 cos square plus 3 cos square is equal to 27. This the row 4, columns the 4, the matrix the 4. The degeneracy of the state having the energy level is equal to G is equal to 4. So answer is option A, 4. So degeneracy accidental degeneracy levels. Question number 8. In linear variation method using two orthogonal basis function, the two roots obtained are E0 and E1, E0 greater than E1. The correct relation to this with exact ground and the first excited state energies E1 and E1 respectively is dash. So this question is based on quantum mechanics, the approximation method. There are two types of method, variation method and perturbation method. This question is the variation method. So orthogonal means orthogonal is equal to 0. Normalization is equal to 1. So this answer is option D, E0 less than E0 and E1 less than E1. So the E0 to E1 and epsilon naught in the E1. This answer is option D. The spatial part of the dominant resonance structure of the lithium hydride molecule is only valency part of the wave function is shown. This question is based on quantum mechanics in molecular orbital theory. lithium hydrogen molecule. There are two atoms, lithium and hydrogen. Solution: lithium hydrogen gives lithium plus hydrogen minus. See the figure. Lithium is 2s electron, hydrogen is 1s electron. Lithium is the electron, hydrogen is 1 electron 2. Lithium is 1 electron 1, hydrogen is electron 2. So the R1 R2, R means the distance, radius of the distance. The dominant resonance structure is only hydrogen molecule, R1 and R2, the most dominant resonance structure. So the answer is option D, 1SH1 R1, 1SH R2. Question number 10. The Heckel molecular orbital of benzene, that is degenerate with the molecular orbital 1 by 2, x2 plus x3 minus x5 minus x6 is dash. The question is based on quantum mechanics in Heckel molecular orbital theory. Example of the benzene. See the structure of benzene. Benzene 6-membered ring. It is delocalized the pi electron, positive and negative. Positive indicates the green color, negative indicates the black color. The structure of the benzene is a nodal plane is equal to 1. So answer is option A, 1 divided by root 12 2 x1 plus x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 minus x5 plus x6. Question number 11. This question is based on physical spectra. In the pure rotational spectrum of a XY molecule, there are two molecules. The adjacent lines are separated by 4 cm minus 1. If the molecule is radiated by a radiation of 30,000 cm minus 1, the first Stokes line in centimeter minus 1 appears at. Solution: the rotational spectra is equal to 2b is equal to 4. The 2b is equal to 4 means the adjacent of the two molecules. So p is equal to 2 cm minus 1. See the figure. Center line, red colors indicate the first Stokes line. Mu r is equal to 30,000 cm minus 1. First Stokes line appear at 30,000 minus 6p. 6p, 4p and 4p adjacent two atoms. 30,000 minus 6p, 30,000 minus 6 into 2, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 30,000 minus 12 is equal to 29,988 centimeter minus 1. So answer is option A. Question number 12. The rate constant of a second order reaction 2A gives Z is K2. If the initial concentration of the reactant is A0 and the concentration of the product at time t is x1, then a linear function of t with the slope K2A0 is. This is question is based on chemical kinetics. Solution: for a second order reaction, 1 divided by A0 minus x minus 1 divided by A0 is equal to K2T. 1 divided by A0 minus x equal to K2T plus 1 divided by A0. 1 divided by A0 minus x equal to K2 plus A0 plus 1 divided by A0. A0 K2 plus 1 is equal to A0 divided by A0 minus x. A0 K2T is equal to A0 divided by A0 minus K minus 1 is equal to A0 divided by A0 minus x minus into A0 minus x. So y is equal to mx plus c. See the graph. X axis time, y-axis x divided by a naught minus x. X is the time mx, y is x divided by a naught minus x. The slope is k to a naught. The question is, if the initial concentration of the reactant is a naught and the concentration of the product at time t is x1, then the linear function of t with the slope k to a naught. Slope k to a naught is the answer option C, x divided by a naught minus x. X divided by a naught minus is the y-axis. So the slope of the x divided by a naught minus x, answer option C. Question number 13. The oxidation of NO to NO2 occurs via the mechanism given below. 2NO gives N2O2, N2O2 plus O2 K2 2NO2, dNO2 divided by dt in the presence of the large excess of oxygen can be written as. Solution: dNO2 divided by dt. So the rate constant formula dx divided by dt, the rate of change of concentration, reactant is converted to product with per unit time. dNO2 divided by dt is equal to 2K2 2N2 O2, equation 1. Applying steady state approximation is equal to rate of formation, rate of decomposition, N2O2. dN2O2 divided by dt is equal to K1NO2 minus K minus 1 N2O2 minus K2 N2O2, O2 is equal to 0. N2O2 is equal to K1 NO2 divided by K minus 1 plus K2 O2, equation 2. Using equation 2 in 1, dNO2 divided by dt is equal to 2K2 K1 NO2 O2 divided by K2 O2. K2 cancel, O2 cancel, O2 cancel means the question is the dNO2 dt in the presence of the large excess of oxygen. Large excess of oxygen is O2 cancel, K2 cancel, K2 cancel. This by imbalance 2 K1 NO2. This option is option A, 2 K NO2. Question number 14. For the reaction K plus Br2 gives KBr plus Br, which follows the carbon mechanism, the reactive cross section is close to. The cross section is formula pi r square. Use the given data. E square divided by 4 by epsilon naught is equal to 2.3 into 10 power minus 28 joule mole. Ionization energy K is equal to 422.5 kilojoule mole minus 1. Electron affinity of Br2 is equal to 215 kilojoule mole minus 1, and Avogadro number 6 into 10 power 23 mole minus 1. Solution: what is the carbon mechanism? Electron is carbon can jump at distance much larger than chord sphere, forming ions that react to give product. See this equation: K plus Br2, change in energy K plus Br2 minus positive and negative, potassium plus bromide minus Coulombic attraction. Positive charge and negative charge is attract the Coulombic force, gives KBr plus Br. This equation is carbon mechanism. The energy change for electron transfer, delta E is equal to ionization energy K minus Ea Br2 minus E square divided by 4 by epsilon naught R. Ionization energy minus epsilon A is equal to E square divided by 4 by epsilon naught R. Ionization energy value the given 422.5 into electron affinity bromide value 215 divided by 6 into 10 power 23 mole minus 1. Avogadro number 2.3 into 10 power minus 28 divided by R joule mole. R is equal to cross sectional area 8 into 10 power minus 8 R value R is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 10 meter is equal to pi r square. Pi value 3.14 into R value 8 into 10 power minus 10 square. So answer 2 into 10 power minus 18 meter square. So this R value 8 into 10 power minus 10 square. Pi value 3.14. So the answer is 2 into 10 power minus 18 meter square. Option B 2 into 10 power minus 18 meter square. Question number 15. The reducible representation in the table is equal to the following superposition of the irreducible representation of C2V point group. This question is based on group theory. See the table C2V. C2V is the point group of water molecule. E is the identity. C2 axis of rotation is a linear molecule. 180 degree is rotation is bend molecules. Sigma V is sigma V prime. Planar symmetry. Sigma means planar symmetry. There are three types of planar symmetry: sigma V, sigma H, and sigma D. Sigma V and sigma V prime. A1, A2, B1, B2 is the Mulligan symbol. Irreducible representation. This symbol is the Pech symbol. Okay. A1 1 1 1, A2 1 1 minus 1 minus 1, B1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, B2 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Irreducible representation 8 minus 2 minus 6 4. So using standard reduction formula. This formula is according to GOT theorem, great orthogonality theorem. N is equal to 1 by H. N is the order. N is equal to 1 by H. H is the order. Order is 4. Xi irreducible representation, X reducible representation, G representation. First column N A1 1 by 4, 8 minus 2 minus 6 plus 4, 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 6 0 plus 4, 4 4 0 is equal to 1. So A1 is equal to 1. A2 1 by 4, 8 minus 2 6 plus 6 12, 12 minus 4 8, 8 divided by 4, 4 into by 2. A2 2. N B1 1 divided by 4, 8 plus 2 minus 6 minus 4 is equal to 0. So A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 2, P1 is equal to 0, P2 is equal to 5. So the answer is irreducible representation is equal to A1 plus 2A2 plus 5B2, option B. Thank you.